Hey guys, I'm hearing these weird noises in the sky. Not really sure what they are. It's sounds like thunder. It's too consistent to be thunder, and it almost sounds like somebody's dragging their garbage can down their driveway. Um, it's been going on for like 2 hours. It's 9:33 at night on uh, June 25th of 2015, and let me see if you guys can hear this, and if you know what they are, comment down below and tell me what these things are, because it's kind of weird. So let me see if you guys can hear this. Okay, that was a car just passed, but I don't know if you guys can hear these noises, and if you can, tell me what they are. Yeah. I'm currently on the PlayStation 4 with a couple of my friends all across New Jersey, and they're all hearing it too, so I'm not really sure what it is. So yeah, if you know what they are, comment down below. Yeah, and peace out.